Every time I kick off a multi-node training run, the same nightmare hits. Every process logs separately, flooding my experiment tracker with duplicate runs, despite setting up rank-based logging guards. Something always slips, especially when the run crashes or restarts. What should be one clean log turns into a messy spiderweb of partial metrics and half-written checkpoints. Well, clearly they're not using Neptune.
Yes.
So-
That we know for sure. So it's completely on them. But it's just like really hard to see those things. Like, you know, if you're doing like high stakes training, either like research or you know commercial, you kind of like and obviously like invested in the GPUs. Like why are you not using the software to like make good use out of the GPUs, right? Like why are you like using those, you know, like half baked solutions that are really not made for this kind of training?
I just think it's important that researchers are logging from multiple ranks, right?
Yeah.
We've spoken to clients recently that they've such big distributed systems. But I saw as well is there's this lag between like doing particular parallelization techniques that it slows down the training. So they just want to train it and they'll merge after some point.
Yeah.
But they would be logging from all the different places. And you should be able to seamlessly and be able to track that, sum them up, aggregate within the experiment tracker. And that's exactly what they can do in Neptune.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, some you can reduce immediately to like rank 0, whatever.
Yeah.
Log, if you need to, right? And then obviously you need to do like some, it's a trade-off, right? Like sometimes you need it, but oftentimes, as you said, you can log through all these ranks and you can still get a sense of like whether the model is converging and whether the stability is there, right? And that's, I think, the most important bit in the pre-training course, at least. In evals as well, like if your evals are running in parallel, you can log from multiple instances and you just, it all comes down to like splitting the work cleverly then. It's actually an easier case, I think.